Deep space drifts apart. Cosmic redshift begins. Spectral lines shift red as galaxies recede. Milky Way in motion. What if everything we know about the universe, its shape, its age, even how it expands, is only part of the truth? What if ancient scriptures described a cosmic secret modern science is only now beginning to uncover? Today, we explore a fascinating connection between Hubble's discovery, Einstein's relativity, cosmic expansion, and what the Quran and Bible said more than 1,000 years ago. This is the story of the universe as a scroll. Galaxies drift apart, redshift reveals expansion. In 1929, astronomer Edwin Hubble made a discovery that transformed modern cosmology. He noticed that light from faraway galaxies was redshifted, meaning those galaxies were moving away from us. And the farther the galaxy, the stronger its redshift. This meant one thing: the universe is expanding. And because light speed is constant, scientists could estimate how long galaxies have been moving away, giving the first calculation of the age of the universe. The result? 13.7 billion years, according to the Big Bang model. But what if the model is incomplete? Over the years, many scientists, including Brian Greene, have questioned the Big Bang as a complete explanation. From a mechanical engineering perspective, explosions destroy structure. They do not create order, harmony, or the shapes we see in galaxies. And here's another problem. In 1998, scientists discovered that the universe is not just expanding, it is accelerating. Gravity cannot explain why the expansion slowed for billions of years and then suddenly began accelerating again. Something doesn't add up. Iseki, a mechanical engineer, looks at the universe differently. Everything that is produced requires a geometric model and a type of motion or energy input. The Big Bang alone cannot explain the shapes of galaxies, the distribution of stars, the harmony of cosmic motion, or the acceleration of the universe. Something else must be shaping the cosmos. If you want to distribute material evenly in 3D space without it falling inward, you use one mechanism: rotation. Just like hurricanes or sugar stirred in a glass, or galaxies themselves. Rotation plus expansion creates a spiral pattern. If we draw this in 2D, we get a spiral. In 3D, we get a scroll-shaped structure like a rolled-up sheet unfurling. This leads to a bold idea. What if the universe itself is an expanding spiral scroll? Einstein predicted it. Eddington proved it in 1919. Modern astronomy confirms it daily. Light bends. Gravity curves space-time, galaxies act as lenses. And if light passes through regions with changing density or curved cosmic geometry, its path becomes twisted, not straight. So what if light traveling across the universe follows a spiral path, not a straight line? Then our measurement of the universe's age would be wrong. A natural expanding spiral follows a logarithmic spiral. This is the same pattern found in hurricanes, seashells, spiral galaxies, and even the Milky Way's spiral arms. If light follows this spiral route, the distance it travels becomes much longer than the straight line between 2 points. Example: straight distance equals 9 units, spiral distance equals 27 units, 3 times longer, 3 times more time. Meaning, the universe might appear 3 times older than it actually is. That would make the true age around 4.5 billion years, roughly the same as the Earth. Shockingly, both the Bible and the Quran hint at this relationship. The Bible in Isaiah verse 4 mentions, "The sky will be rolled up like a scroll." This describes the ending of the heavens curled like a scroll. But the Quran goes further and describes the beginning. The Quran in Surah Al-Anbiya verse 104 mentions, "The day when we will fold the heaven like the folding of a written sheet." The Quran states, "The heavens will be folded at the end. They began like a folded sheet, a scroll, and they expanded from that state." This is exactly the behavior of a spiral scroll. The Quran mentioned expansion 1400 years ago, Surah Ad-Dhariyat verse 47, "And the heaven we constructed with strength, and indeed we are its expander." An expanding universe dated 1400 years before Hubble discovered it. And if the heavens are rolled like a scroll, the real age of the universe may be much closer to that of the Earth. A scroll-shaped, rotating, expanding universe. explains accelerated expansion, explains uniform distribution of matter, matches galactic spiral structures, accounts for curved light paths, aligns with thermodynamics, agrees with both the Bible and the Quran, and it may reveal that the universe is much younger than we think. As the Quran says in Surah Az-Zumar verse 67, and the heavens will be folded in his right hand, a description scientifically impossible to imagine in the 7th century, yet fully consistent with modern cosmology. If this idea fascinates you, share your thoughts in the comment. And if you want more videos exploring the harmony between science and the Quran, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Until next time, keep seeking knowledge.